How to fix 500 internal server error in Deepseek. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh button in your browser. Wait a few seconds for the page to reload. Check if Deepseek loads normally. Repeat once or twice if it doesn't work the first time. Move to another fix if the error persists. Link in description. Check for issues with API or /n web chat service. Wait if a problem is reported and retry later. Proceed with other fixes if no status is available. Piled up cache data can interfere with Deepseek's server requests, potentially causing a Deepseek internal server error 500. Clearing it refreshes your browser's slate. Right-click on Start and select Network Connections. Under your connection, click Properties. Find the DNS Server Assignment section and click Edit. Set your DNS to Google's preferred DNS, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4. Click Save. A slow connection might confuse Deepseek's servers. Use the built-in troubleshooter to check for issues.